Don't drop the soap. You may want to buy the disco dip. If you don't know about disco, I'll break this down very simple. Yes, we know this is inspired by Matt Furie, the head person of Pepe and the Boys Club, but The Last Dance, it's got a one-eyed purple monster. And the chart is holding very well at that $1 million market cap level. Lately, I've been snooping around the parks and I've noticed some big buys are rolling into disco. Check out this big buy right now. By looking at the chart, I'm seeing sideways choppy movement action, but we are going to be seeing some volume with disco. If the chart breaks that resistance level here, it may retest the highs, but the support around the liquidity levels could hold this. So this meaning, buckle up. And I really believe the community vibes, the team, and everybody around disco could actually bounce the levels even higher as we go through toward the end of October and head on down to November. So that means holding disco, adding more, can send your portfolio to Mercury, maybe Pluto, maybe Uranus. And you know John Travolta will continue dancing the disco song. Yeah, disco. So don't be a party pooper, be a party holder. Disco, Last Dance, Boys Club, Matt Furie. What more can you ask in Memecoin crypto? And I understand you've probably been holding for a while, or you might have watched this video for the first time thinking about disco Memecoin portfolio. Just research it and follow the green-eyed purple monster that's moving around in Matt Furie. You have to understand this. This disco is part of the Matt Furie heads collection, which meaning this could be one of those type of gems that can explode at any time. And I'm serious. Disco has had some good movement, but I even believe that we haven't even seen what everything is capable of disco, the community, and also in crypto in general, especially meme coins. And if we're speaking about research, token sniffer score of disco 100 out of 100, which meaning it brings safe and security with disco. We got LP lock over 1 billion tokens in terms of supply, and the community's got the hands all over, like the hands all over, yeah. And we can't forget about the Green Giant. Green Giant love disco and John Travolta. Disco brings that conviction. It has a community. It has Matt Furie mitts all over this in terms of the creator of the disco Last Dance here. The thing about if you want your portfolio to move, you buy and hold and believe. That's what you gotta do. Even though the market dips, disco seems to still get more holders. It's over 1,600 holders already in disco. And I can see that number going up as we continue to go up. It's not financial advice. Always do your research, but check out disco because the party is going to continue going. One Last Dance, Matt Furie community. We won a winner and we found disco. Thank goodness. My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. Check out disco like right now.